Indiana Jones, here we come. Oop. Do you mind if I... Thank you, mate. G'day. G'day. That's right.
So we didn't have one, I managed to go the wrong way and get us all
Somehow we did. Alright, let's look for the Easter eggs.
What are these eggs?
Like hidden cross references to other rides and surprise treats.
I bet you might touch something right here. This thing's lit now.
Oh my! I didn't even see mine.
It's cool that they make this experience.
See it? Once you work out how to use it properly, it's fine. We're sort of getting the hang of it already now, aren't we?
Indiana Jones ride. This ride's just recently been renovated. They've fixed a few things up, made it brighter.
Loves it because he gets chased by balls.
Yes.
This is kind of scary, but I can't see where you're
It's not very scary, this ride, by memory. It's just a bit of fun. Go around the giant Jeep. I call it a Jeep. Like a big Land Rover.
It's not scary.
warning that.
Snakes!
Oh, they're very big.
Definitely got to say the theming is excellent. Again, they do a great job at Disney with theming rides.
The Temple of the Forbidden Eye. I, Sara, shall now give you counsel to safeguard your miraculous journey. Here in your transportation devices are ingenious pouches for safekeeping all earthly treasures when the journey becomes bumpy. And to keep you safe and sound, here are special belts attached into the seats. Simply pull it from the right, inserting it into the left, like so. You see the excellence of this invention? Your off-road journey is exponential.
tried to hold the camera steady, so hopefully I got some good footage. But I guess we'll find out. Some magical editing maybe. Taking out all the dark bits, leaving us with some good stuff, hopefully. But just like the other rides, at the end, still wheel theme. Is that Indy's brother?
Yeah, I'm like, we're the only one at 47. And she's like, yeah.